Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. This is gonna be a quick video. TDAC, or Trident Acquisitions, is actually looking to partner. I forgot what the actual name is of the company, but they let you purchase Mega Millions, Powerball, basically lottery tickets online. So that they actually download their app, and you're able to purchase lottery tickets within the app. This is actually a company that I've been looking into a whole bunch. I think the people who actually buy lottery tickets in the US is absolutely astronomical. So if it's especially on days that the lottery is like 250 million, 200 million, whatever, I can easily see Trident Acquisitions shooting up every single time. The only reason I say this and why this is an extremely huge long-term play is because, especially right now with COVID happening, we don't know how the situation is going to end up, but I do think more and more people are going to end up buying their lotto tickets through their app, through their platform, through their company. Not necessarily because COVID's happening, because that's just kind of where the world is kind of headed to. And I do think that if somebody were to go to like 7-Eleven or their local liquor store to buy a lotto ticket, usually they go for that, they buy chips, whatever, but some people just go for the lotto ticket, right? So why drive there? Why waste $5-6 of gas driving to your local liquor store, wasting that time just to buy that lotto ticket, when you can basically just have buy them on your app. You can buy them on your app, and you basically just kind of hold it, and you have a record of everything that you own, right? And it's absolutely, and I think it's amazing because this not only saves you time, but it kind of gives you the incentive to buy multiples instead of just 1 or 2 tickets when you go to the liquor store. Maybe when you're at home and you're on the app, you buy 5 tickets, you'll buy 2 tickets, you'll buy 4 tickets, instead of just buying 1 or 2. I do think that Trident Acquisition, or the actual company, the lottery one it's gonna merge with this, I think it's gonna be an absolutely huge market, and I think I will be throwing a couple $1,000s at this.